In this video I will show you how can you fix the watch icon missing. You can see here on my menu there have no watch icon. You can see here if I click on the watch icon I can see some video or from the watch icon. So how can we add the watch icon here in the menu? I will show through the video. So for adding your watch icon you have to simply click here on three line or menu bar, then you have to click here settings icon. You can see here your settings icon. If you can't find it here you have to scroll down and then you have to come here settings and privacy, then you have to click here settings. After clicking here settings you have to scroll down little bit and then you can see here tab bar. You have to simply click on tab bar and then you have to simply click here customize the bar. You have to simply click on that and then you can see here your painted shortcut. From here you have to remove a painted bar for adding your video or watch icon here. So I am simply removing my group icon from here to click auto and then I have to click here the video to auto to paint, and after clicking the paint the video bar should be added by Facebook here on my icon section. You can see here the video or watch bar have been added in this list. So that's how you can edit your video or watch icon on the top menu bar. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.